Hey everybody, just a quick little video on my EDC, everyday carry. You can see I have a Leatherman pouch and it has a ferrocerium rod holder. So we'll just pull that out. I'm doing this cell phone so it's a little difficult. And I put a little elastic lanyard to whip around so it stays on there. And in that I have the Zippo. I'm pretty sure it's just a made in China one. No, it's a Zippo one. Nice. And I don't have a Leatherman. I have a 1944 British jackknife with the big. This is from my grandfather, merchant marine. That spike is for undoing knots. This thing was I found it a year ago, and I just, I really liked it. I just soaked it in some oil and then I just started redoing it. It was just a ball of rust. Couldn't even open it. It's got a very nice flat grind, heavy. That's like 3/16. It's a very, very sturdy folding knife. So that's what I've been rocking. Carbon steel. It's just holds. It takes an edge like nobody's business. I believe they're made by Sheffield. They're all British. Deadly looking thing. So, yeah, that all fits in that Leatherman pouch. So that's my EDC.